We are looking at a plant identification app, Plantnet. Assuming you've already downloaded it to your phone or iPad, we're just going to get into it and look at it. Okay, first of all, you can see down here at the very bottom, there's a little picture of a camera, and that's probably the quickest and easiest way to get started. Click on that. When you open that up, you can see you can go to camera or gallery. Gallery will take you to the photos you've taken with your phone already. So let's first just take a photo. Let's hit the camera. It turns into the camera mode. So I am going to just take a photo . Just to show you how easy that is. Okay, so once you have that photo, if it's not clear enough, you can always do retake and take it again, but let's use that photo. So it has it up here on the top of our screen for us, and we have to choose, do we want to try to match it with other plants in this database for a leaf or a flower, or let's look at the leaf. Okay, so it's come up with something that's matched almost 5 stars, and then something else that doesn't have any stars. But let's try to see. The important thing is to try to look at the photos and see, does this match the photo you have? It doesn't automatically say this is what it is. It says you check and see. That does look very similar. Another way you can look at the photographs, if you choose the name of the plant below, it will give you many photos of the same one. And this does not look anything like the houseplant we just took a photo of. So let's go back to the top one here, which was a good match. All of those look good. When you're in this screen, you can go up here and check, and it will give you a written description. You can read about the plant. Come back here and hit confirm. Yes, it was a good match. So it tells you the name of it here. And right below here, you can specify location. If it's somewhere in your yard where you're trying to find out how to maintain some of the plants that you did not put there, you could put where in your yard that this plant is, or if you're going for a walk, you want to say, I saw this plant at Slate Run, something like that. So that's what you can put in there. Another thing you can do, we just went to camera and took a picture. Let's go to gallery. It goes to our camera roll, and I've taken a number of pictures. You can walk out in your yard, or when you're taking a walk, take a number of pictures, and you can come back and try to find the what the plant is right there when you take the picture of it, or you can take a bunch of pictures and then come back at a later time and look and find out what they are. This one is the same way. This one has 2 star matches and no 1 star match. So if you bring up the whole bank at the same time, it does look very similar. So that looks like it is all of these are sedums, but it does look like it matches this one. So let's do a confirm and a yes. Another thing you can do here is you can say, yes, I want to contribute this. And that makes your photo available to other users of this application. So right now we're in this little silhouette that gives you all of your photo history. if we come up here, this just gives us one of our samples. If we go up here, we can see all of the photos that we have. And then once again, if we go back over to our phone, we have a lot more to choose from, and we can try to find it. And this one is a flower, so let's click on flower this time. And this has such a great match, it only came up with one thing, and it is indeed a red bud. You have the name. So as you can see, it's very, very easy. If you click here, you can find a species if you want to look some of the different plants up, and then you can go back here. Here's your photos that you've saved. And then once again, you can go to camera and take a picture, and immediately upon taking the picture, just like we did, you can look up the plant or you can save the photos till later. And this, the little people button here, shows you all the other different things that people have found. So you can have a lot of fun with this. You can take the kids on a hike and help identify all the different plants and flowers that you see, or you can help, you can use it in your yard for your own maintenance. So I hope you have fun.